case is like something out of Pimp My Ride. When you turn off the key, all the lights stand for about 10 minutes. All the boys fast asleep. Oh, good morning. Welcome back to Dourhouse Farms. I didn't come back to the yard last night. I brought the case back to my own house. So back here now early, start again this morning, but I've all the headlands, all the middle of the field sat, doing the barley. The headlands cultivated. I saw them now this morning. And I'm heading off spraying then for the day. Big Jim is going baling the silage and the bean straw. And Fong and my uncle are going drawing the beans. And Dad and the neighbour are going cutting. We're getting another combine in today to give us a hand, just to try and get the beans knocked out before the rain tomorrow. And if we do, we'll be up to date. So there's I said I start early again this morning. Just yeah, there's a lot of spraying to do. There could be over 100 acres of spraying to do. So I said I get going early and try and get it wrapped up, and we can stay embedded for training in the morning. Get the doors opened up. Some people now would be nearly shocked by the hours that we work, but it's sort of, it's yeah. Some people would be sort of a bit shocked, I suppose, by the hours we worked. I was out till 11 o'clock last night. It's 6, just gone 6 now again, but I loved it. This time of the year, God, this morning is beautiful. It's mild, good drying there. I know when I go up to where we're sowing the barley that it'll be nice to go. What I cultivated last night, it'll be nice and dry. I'd work all the days under the sun once we're getting through work. The only thing that kills me is when we're working long hours and getting nowhere. So it's great to get a good bit done now yesterday, and I'm very lucky as well with Paula. We have a young family as well, so Paula has her hands full minding them all the time when I'm not at home, and she's a mighty woman in fairness. So mix on now. I'm not sure, but I have a theory about the bees. I think the dry matter of it is very high. I might test a bit of it, just put it into the oven and bake it down and see. But it's like concrete, and and their intakes are on a ton basis are back, suggesting that it is high dry matter. So see, they're doing well on it, all them bulls are sort of more or less ready to go now, so I'd say there might be a few loads go next week or the week after, hopefully. Down now, like we do every day. No matter how busy we are out in the field, cattle still have to be looked after, bedded down, fed. All the cattle out of the grass have been fed now as well, so Juan will do them when he gets there. Just one more field of headlands to do now. I'll be dropping off the drill then and putting on the sprayer and just filling up the tractor with diesel here now. Fill myself with diesel. Come on, Frank. Dun, dun, dun. Flipping rain. Ah! Big Jim is heading on baling silage. I'm going to drop off the drill now and try the sprayer. Sprayer's filling away there now. So we're going out with more Roundup. Only a very light rate now, just knock out a few volunteers and a bit of dirt that's in the field before we go planting again. About I don't know, there's 80 acres about to do, but most of it's in about a half an hour from our own yard, so it'll take me most of the day. All going this today. Spraying away now. Dad is in the field below me. There's two combines cutting beans. I was sowing with the barley this morning, and James has just finished baling silage. Now, if you had said that we'd ever be doing them 4 jobs all in the one day, I'd have said you were mad. But that's the way farming's gone. You get 2 days to do any job, and if you don't take that chance, you might miss your opportunity. So, and look, it's good to have plenty of help. So, we all got rained off there a while ago. The farm was very, very bad. I should have actually got a bit of a video because there was gear everywhere in the field, but the farm was just too bad. We're going now again, so. How much beans have they left to cut? 23 and 15. They've 38, about 40 acres of beans to cut. They don't, is it? Yeah, they do. Yeah, they've about 40 acres of beans to cut yet, so it's now, it's now 20 to 2. They might get it done, yeah. Like last night, yesterday we didn't start till 3 o'clock, and I got 20 acres cut on his own. So if this whole breeze keeps up now, just trying to keep the boom close to the ground there now because it is a little bit breezy. So if this whole breeze keeps up, we should get finished. So God, if we got finished now, I'd have a nice relaxing weekend. It's all about the progress. There's our neighbour's comment. Sorry now. Oh, I can't see it. It's a class 450, like the one we used to have. It was actually that machine and our one were bought at the exact same time. Our old one. There's Dad cutting away. There's the other combine. I get Fong to do a bit of Fong card. Stupid American out way. There's Fong heading in for another load. Might get Fong to do a bit of Fong cam now. There's 2 combines and they're baling all in one field. So my uncle's just after arriving on there. He's going to draw a few loads for us. I'm just going into the last field spraying here now, and Fog sent me a video there he recorded, so I'll put it in there next. But spirits are starting to lighten a little bit now. They were dropping off the headers off the combines. They're going on to the last field, so yes, we're nearly there. Thank God we'll be finished tonight. I'll put that video in now.
No, so but being the road will take the bail in here. No, we'll be chopping the headland to make the routine. Bring that to shop. What do you away with that? Huh? Come on, we're now, we get going. Yeah, it'll be fucking rainy in a minute.
Just finished spraying and back in the field where they're cutting the beans now. We're going to get them done. There's about maybe 10 acres left, I suppose. Here's Fong coming back now, I'd say, for another load. We're smarting the straw, bale it up for use for our own cattle. This cork is looking lovely. Mint. Dad's sawing away, finishing up his, I don't know how many harvests he said was this. Is it 50, I think? Is this his 50th harvest maybe? There's another few in him yet, hopefully. Fong is coming back in like a bat out of hell. Not a bad old life when things go according to plan. Could I get the two of them into one go? Nah. There we go. So I just came over here to the winter barley I sat last night just to check, is it fit to roll it? I think it is. If you ever want to know is it fit to roll it, this is how I do it anyway. Like stamp down with your foot and see if there's a pack under it. That's not packing, so I'm gonna go back to the grub is over where they're cutting the beans now. I'm gonna go back there, have the grub, go back to the yard, drop off the sprayer and put on the roller. I'll come up and roll this. It's 7:15 now. This will take 5 hours. I know, I'll get it done. So Big Jim got the beans baled, so we'll be fully finished up with harvest 2024 now this evening, thank God, and harvest 2025 preparation well underway. So one sec now, I'm going to leave it there now for tonight's video. I'm delighted now with myself that we got all this all the work done today. Look, we had loads of help. Didn't turn out a bad harvest. The beans are doing good. I'd say the first field we cut did 3. The second field did I don't know, he said that did. I'd say maybe 2.5-ish. And I think the third field is the same. So look, they were sat in atrocious conditions. It was a year that didn't suit beans, so I'm happy with that. Look, if they average 2.6 or 7, they probably won't. Probably 2.6 I'd say they'll average. I'd be happy with that. Great to have the harvest finished. Not our best harvest, but look, we got out without no major disasters. With no break for the whole harvest. With no bust up between ourselves, so that's good. And there was a savage effort put in now by us all, really. Long hours, myself, Dad, Fong, Uncle Mike, Big Jim. Dad's other brother Stephen is helping us there now as well today. So big effort put in by all, and thanks a million to them all. So yeah, and first harvest finished on YouTube. Onto the maize now next week, and back sowing then again. The next 4 or 5 days looks brutal, but there's 2 loads of bulls going next week, so there could be one of them going Monday. So thanks a million for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again tomorrow.